In this video, I will be unboxing this GOTRAX Hoverboard. This is the Model Edge. So let's unbox it. Okay, so there's a box in a box. It's well protected. So here it is, GOTRAX Edge. Let me see the specifications. So it says here that it can go up to 10 kilometers per hour or 6.2 miles per hour, and it can cover a distance of 3.1 miles before needing a recharge. It takes 5 hours to recharge, and it has a gyroscope, self-balancing, LED lighting, and it's 200 watts dual motor. So let's open it. So here there's a stop sign saying that if you need help, you can go to gotrax/pages/support. Let me zoom in a little bit so that you can see. First thing in the box you see is a charger. So this is a proprietary charger. Make sure you don't lose it. Here it is. And then you have a user manual. And then this is a quick start guide. And also here, like a notice, if you need help, where to go to get help. And this is good. Some styrofoam. And this is a hoverboard. Oh, it's not too heavy. I got the black color. Of course, I got this for my kids, but I may use it also. So this is it. It's not too big. You have the GOTRAX logo here. And then here you have, it should have the, this is a power on off button. And this is a charging port here. It's well protected, which is very good. So it's protected against a bit of splash of water and sand. So you put it here. So let me turn it on. So it goes back like this, front like this. You can steer like this. Let me put it to the charge now and charge it. I'm going to turn it off. Of course, everything with battery that is new, you should charge it fully before using it. This way you will extend the life of the battery. The cord is very short. This is not a problem. I'm going to put it on the floor and then charge it. So here, just plug it in and let's go and charge it. So I plugged it in. I don't see anywhere saying that it is charging. No lighting, no nothing. That's a bit weird. Let me try to turn it on. Okay, so you have to turn it on to see that it is charging. You see the blinking light here. So I'm going to keep it on the charge and we'll test it when it is fully charged.
Oui.